your boy Eman. So we're here out fresh. I'm in here in the Philippines, so my brother is at school today. Oh look, it's a hen. It's a chicken. I love this. Let's check out the motorcycle here. Now we have a car. It's Toyota. Some sort of we have a bunch of things. We grow some. We have plants, another motorcycle, and probably it's a kid. So, guys, wanna see? We actually have a hen and a dog. It's at the cage. We're in the Philippines, so I'm gonna show you. There's proof in the Philippines. I'm gonna prove to you I'm in the Philippines. I have chinelas, electric fan, and I have here, and we surely have a calendar here. What is it? It's August today, August 12th, 2024. Yeah. So guys, bye!